guys. We're here with Ryan's universe. We're doing a science experiment. Yeah. So this is yeast.
Yes, we're gonna blow up a balloon using yeast
and sugar.
And sugar and water. This is the yeast.
The yeast packet.
You can zoom up on it. So
That's yeast.
So at first, you add all of your yeast into the water bottle.
Yeah. Like your fun.
Yeah, that's our homemade funnel.
Yeah. You just dump everything. And then you add sugar.
And then you stir the bottle a few seconds.
And that's your yeast.
So the yeast mixes in.
And that's your sugar.
That should be okay.
You see? This is your sugar.
Fill that up. Now we're gonna put sugar
Is this
in.
enough?
Oh, the whole thing. A little bit more.
You mean this?
Yep, pour it right on the paper. Okay. Now
Dump
you dump all of your sugar in.
Yeah. And then when yeast reacts to sugar, it eats it and it grows.
Yes, reacts.
Yeah.
So, basically, your yeast is like a person, and it needs energy or food. Your sugar. It needs it to be active, and once it reacts, the yeast and the sugar, it produces carbon dioxide.
Actually, you see my haircut?
Yes, you did get a haircut. And then you're gonna put the balloon
over yeast.
Over the cap. Make sure it's pretty even.
Yeah. And you don't pull and yeet it.
And you wait.
Yeah.
How long do you wait?
Give or take 10-15 minutes. Right? And then eventually we're gonna speed it up a little.
You remember the onion rings?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the onion rings that we did, we totally ate them.
And then this is your finished balloon. So the yeast and the sugar basically blow the balloon up. Blue.
You want to set it down?
Yeah.
Thanks. That's pretty cool.
Just a little bit.
I loves her so much. Guys, I just love her so much. She's just so cute. I loves her.
Alright,
She looks like she's cute, but she's actually a devil gorgon.
Sometimes.
from Stranger Things. But yes, today we're gonna give away $25. The first person to like and comment on our video, they'll get this. Yeah. Rod, come say bye.
Peace and pasta!
Later.
Later!